welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I prepare step by step how I make my tom brown, the things I use, how I combine them, how I grind it into powder. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys every single details and how I fry them. So don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. So like I said, I will show you guys the things I use for it. So like now I have this ingredient here. Let me show you guys. I have soya beans here. What I'm doing is I need to pick it and clean it up. And this is granules. Say hello.
Hello.
So that is the corn, the white corn. I still have other things here, so I'll show you guys gradually before frying it. So this is after picking it up. I'm going to list every single thing in the description box below. So this is it. I'm done picking it. So I'm going to show you how the next thing to do. This is wheat and this is peanuts. This is maize, the red one, and this is guinea corn, the white one. That's the red guinea corn. This one, I'm going to put the name on the description box. This is the one they use for kunu, and this is white beans. You can use the red one, any one of your choice. So this is basically all the things I use. That is soya beans. So I'm going to put everything. So let's start frying it. Because now we are going to be frying it in this pattern. Because this is the quantity of the ingredient I'm going to be frying are more than what I usually do in my kitchen. So I'm using this technique, the charcoal and firewood technique, to fry it outside in my compound. So I'll be using this big cast pot to fry it. So here is how I'm going to be frying the soya beans. First, the pot is hot. So I'm going to be frying this first to remove the oil. I like frying everything for a reason, because if I don't, this soya beans has oil. When I'm grinding it, it's not going to come out very smooth. So I'm going to be frying all this ingredient. So here is it. To know if this soya beans is ready, when it's ready, you notice, when you're frying your peanuts, you notice the peel start coming off by itself. So that is how to tell if the soya beans is ready. So let's keep frying. So now it's ready. As you can see, it's fried and very, very light. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm done removing it. I'm going to add the maize. So I'll be frying this as well. So when I'm done frying everything, I'll get back to you guys. In this pot, as I'm frying it, I'm mixing everything together in here so that it's still hot now. So as I'm frying it, I'm mixing it, I'm pouring it in this place. So let's keep watching. This is the last part. I'm frying the peanut. I'm already done frying all this. So here I'm frying the peanuts when it's very, very dry. When it's very dry, then I think it's ready. So I'm going to be adding this to the one here. So this peanuts here now is in another tray. In this place, I will let it cool before peeling it off. So I didn't add it directly here. So I'm leaving this peanut inside this tray now so that it will be cold. When it's done cooling down, Then I'm going to peel it this way before adding it to the rest of this that I've put together. So I'm going to show you guys when I'm done with it. So now I'm going to be pouring this down so it can get full. So I'm going to be spreading this. I want it to cool down before going to mill it. Please bring it down. So this is it. I mixed everything together. So I'm going to go and grind it once it's cold. So here it is. I'm done peeling the granite. I'm going to blow the peel off so that I can add it to the mix of the other ingredient I showed you just now. So here it is. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to blow it off now and add it to it. So don't go nowhere. I'll show you the outcome when I'm done. So we're on our way to go and mill it. Like I said, the normal way I do it before I blend it in my kitchen when the quantity is small. So since this one is more than what I usually do, I'm taking it out to go and mill it. So I'll show you guys when I get there. Done blending it. This is how it looks now. It's very, very hot right now. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section below and I'll be glad to answer you guys. This particular meal is very, very nutritious. I'm going to leave everything like I said in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.